I'm Dr. Scott Woolf. I'm a fellowship-trained cataract and glaucoma specialist. I did my ophthalmology training at the University of Texas in San Antonio, and also had the opportunity to do a glaucoma fellowship in El Paso, Texas. I was able to work with one of the top glaucoma specialists in the country there. This experience has given me an unmatched cataract and glaucoma experience to work with. I believe our most valued sense is our sense of sight. I was drawn to ophthalmology because of the opportunity to help others protect, preserve, and restore this invaluable sense. I specialize in the front part of the eye, specifically in cataracts and all types of glaucoma. As the Boise area continues to grow, I'm excited to offer my skills and talents to help many in the community. I love to spend time outdoors, hiking and biking, and I love to spend time with my family. I have a beautiful wife and 3 amazing kids, and they put a smile on my face each day. I believe our quality of life is directly tied to our quality of vision. Playing a role in helping others improve their quality of life through eye surgeries and eye treatments has been extremely rewarding. I especially like to talk to my patients and learn about their life and help them feel at ease about their eye condition.